This is what our Purpurse predispersed pigments look like when mixed with granular resin. It's worth noting that the mixing process doesn't require a high-speed mixer, just ordinary mixing equipment with low speed. Uniform stirring is enough. We can confidently say this process is absolutely clean and dust-free. For many master batch producers, making high-concentration single-color master batch is quite challenging. Different pigment varieties have different characteristics, leading not only to dispersion issues but also to unexpected problems like unsteady feeding during production. This makes producing high-concentration single-color master batch tricky. Predispersed pigments simplify this goal significantly. They offer thorough dispersion, overcome feeding difficulties, and are compatible with automatic feeding equipment. We all know that formulating black with pigments is very difficult. This is because black requires multiple pigment components for color matching, and if any single component has unstable dispersion, the purity of the black suffers. A formula developed in a lab might result in a final product that's too reddish or too yellowish when produced at scale. Our Purpurse pigment solves this problem. Whether in lab results or repeated production runs, this black remains stable. We also tested Purpurse dispersibility using different equipment. We conducted an experiment using our Purpurse Blue 15:3 product. Here are 3 sets of data. First set, the control group used master batch produced by a twin screw extruder in a single pass. The sample group used the same master batch but was processed through the extruder a second time under otherwise identical conditions. Color measurement comparison showed the data from both groups were consistent. Second set, the sample group was processed through the extruder 3 times. The color measurement data showed the sample still matched the control. Third set, the equipment for the sample group was switched to a single screw extruder. The results remained consistent. This indicates that the dispersibility of Purpurse Blue 15:3 has already reached its peak. Multiple extrusions cannot improve its dispersion further. Our next experiment evaluated color strength improvement. We compared the color difference between master batch made with Purpurse and master batch made directly with powder pigments, noting that we used the same batch of pigment for both. The experimental results show that Purpurse increased color strength by approximately 13%. In this experiment, we used powder pigments from different sources to create 2 sets of predispersed pigments for comparison. PB15:1A was sourced from India, and PB15:1B from China. In their powder state, the color difference between them was significant. However, after being made into predispersed pigments, their color difference disappeared. This demonstrates